How to pip install a package with minute and max version range. I'm wondering if there's any way to tell pip, specifically in a requirements file, to install a package with both a minimum version, pip install package, equals 0.2, and a maximum version which should never be installed, theoretical API, pip install package, 0.3. I ask because I am using a third-party library that's in active development. I'd like my pip requirements file to specify that it should always install the most recent minor release of the 0.5.x branch, but I don't want pip to ever try to install any newer major versions, like 0.6.x, since the API is different. This is important because even though the 0.6.x branch is available, the devs are still releasing patches and bug fixes to the 0.5.x branch, so I don't want to use a static package equals 0.5.9 line in my requirements file. Is there any way to do that?
You can do. And pip will look for the best match, assuming the version is at least 0.2 and less than 0.3. This also applies to pip requirements files. See the full details on version specifiers in PEP 440.
You can also use, which is more consistent and easy to read.
An elegant method would be to use the equals compatible release operator according to PEP 440. In your case, this would amount to. As an example, if the following versions exist, it would choose 0.5.9, 0.5.0, 0.5.9, 0.6.0. For clarification, each two lines in a pair are equivalent.
nok.github.io/pypdev is an interactive tool for developers to test define specifiers for version handling. Related to the question, nok.github.io/pypdev ?spec $0.5.0 var $0.6.